Hello everyone, welcome back. If you try to use the cellular data on your iPhone but the iPhone says an update is required to use cellular data on this iPhone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. First of all, we are going to launch settings, connect to Wi-Fi, then tap on general and tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version if available. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If not, then move to some other solutions. If you already update iOS version, remove the beta profile if you have any on your iPhone and back to the stable version of iOS, and tap on date and time and enable set automatically on your iPhone the date and time. Then go back to settings and force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. The next step that we have to do, settings, general, transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. In the end, what we have to do, we have to launch settings, enable airplane mode and lock your iPhone for a couple of minutes, then unlock your iPhone and disable airplane mode. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.